So, we're still out here fishing. As you can see, I don't have the pole in my hand. I was just gonna go get a lure or a plastic worm and try that. But then I started getting hits on the bread like that one. See the ripples? From the wind. See the circular ripples going around that? Right there. See them? That's a fish biting right there. So I don't know. Should I go get a lure or stick with the bread? I don't know. I'm getting bites, so I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. And these damn chirp birds, there he is on that branch. See him right there. And that's why I tossed the crust of the bread out. Right, them guys right there. So, red-winged blackbird right there. Pretty cool birds. But we're gonna see what happens. Let us walk up here to the fishing mobile real quick. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my tackle box. This is the fishing mobile, the inside of it. So, we are about to see what we can use here. This is my tackle box, old school boy. Old school tackle box. Yeah. Bass lures, pike lures. Yeah, rubber worms. But I'll show you the best thing I've ever used for bass fishing. You can tell how beat up this thing is. That's the best thing I ever used for bass fishing right there. I mean, this thing's been through the ringer, but they catch bass like no other. Here's another one I got. That's what it's supposed to look like. You don't want to expose the weight, just the hook.